Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 using cloud gaming services. This modern approach lets you enjoy the game without needing a dedicated console or powerful computer. You'll primarily need a strong internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or more, and a compatible device such as a PC, smartphone, or smart television. It's a fantastic way to access your favorite titles with minimal hardware investment, bringing the skate park directly to you. To get started, you'll need to choose a cloud gaming service. There are several excellent platforms available, each with its own game library and subscription model. It's crucial to verify that Skate 3 is part of their offerings before committing. Subscription fees usually vary, often falling between $10 and $20 per month, so compare options to find the best value for your gaming needs and budget. Some services even offer a free trial period. Once you've selected a service, the next step is to set up your account and subscribe. After that, download the service's dedicated application onto your device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or phone. For the most authentic and enjoyable Skate 3 experience, we highly recommend connecting a compatible game controller. This setup ensures smooth controls and responsiveness, making your virtual skateboarding sessions feel just right, almost like playing on a console. To ensure the smoothest possible gameplay, consider a few optimization tips. A wired Ethernet connection is always superior to Wi-Fi for stability and speed, minimizing lag. Also, close any other applications that might be consuming significant internet bandwidth on your device. Finally, you can often adjust the in-game graphics settings within the cloud service to find a balance that works best with your internet speed, ensuring a fluid and enjoyable Skate 3 session.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.